What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. Can you hear that? No, can you hear that? If you listen carefully, maybe you'll need a listening device. You can barely hear this M5 breathing. Well, in today's video, we're gonna breathe some life into this M5 competition with the Eventuri intake. Let's get into the video. This dual carbon fiber cone intake from Eventuri is designed to deliver more air into the engine of your M5 competition, 18% to be exact. It does this by its increased surface area, but also by its conical design to create a greater vacuuming effect. Now, the M5 competition does not suffer from a lack of power, but it's definitely muzzled, and with this modification, your M5 will begin to sing. Installation of this intake is a 3 out of 10 difficulty and should take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to complete. If you're concerned about heat soak, don't be. The gold heat reflective lined shields have integrated flow guides to deliver the coldest air into the intake scoops, while the included silicone couplers and aluminum cowls secure the intakes into place. The felt liner along the cowl that interacts with the intake reflects Eventuri's attention to detail and dedication of delivering a premium product that's built to last. Now, you may think this intake is 100% performance-based, but it has a preventive maintenance aspect as well. By reducing the intake's restriction, you also reduce the wastegate cycles, thereby increasing the longevity of your turbo. This kit even includes carbon fiber scoops that go behind the grills. Then you'll be rewarded with an unmuzzled M5 competition with all the performance aspects of the Eventuri intake. Woo! Now that is so much better. You can actually hear this M5 come to life, that induction noise giving you the sweet satisfaction every time you hit the accelerator. And if you're looking to pick up your own Eventuri intake for your M5, it's gonna be down in the description links. If you have any questions for us, please leave it down in the comment section below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see all of you in the next one.